Ironwell Productions presents Fun with Stickman Monkey 6. Man, I am so excited. Oh, huh? Good thing I came prepared with this. Later. Come on. Almost got it. What the? What the? Well, howdy there, Stickman McGee. Thanks for bringing me to life, though. Giant magic glue stick. Giant magic glue stick. I've got it. GMGS. That could be my nickname. Thanks, Stickman McGee. Well, I better go now. Toodles. Ding. What just happened? Maybe it has something to do with the sign that says the sign is magic. Nah.